everybody. Hello, my name is Yuda. I am 15. I am from SD Pacitan. Now I want to explain about my project. I plant garlic using media of water and soil. Now I want to explain the media of water. We must prepare bottle and cut into two parts like this. And then put garlic inside this. Now I want to explain the media of soil. We need pot, soil, garlic, and water for watering. This is observation sheet. I plant from Tuesday 20 July 2021 until Thursday 5 August 2021. Friday 23 July 2021. Media of water. Leaf grow 1 centimeter. Thursday 29 July 2021. Media of soil 1.2 centimeter and media water 11.9 centimeter. The conclusion is the growth of garlic using water is better than soil. That's all my explanation. Thank you. Bye-bye.